Okay, so I'm over in the AdWords manager that we just set up here, and just going to give you a quick overview of this before we move on to the campaigns area, because on your account area, you're not really going to do much other than be able to view the overview of all your accounts. As you can see here, you'll be able to see all your clicks, impressions, click-through rate, conversions, conversion rate, and cost across multiple accounts. Now, 99% of you probably only have one account that you're going to start out with, but as your CPA business grows, you might start running accounts for clients, or you might have different accounts for a variety of reasons. Maybe you're in different niches and things like that. So it's just a nice organized place to get an overview of exactly what's happening with your data. And of course, you can go ahead and segment out the reporting right here. Now on the left-hand side, you can play around with these. They're pretty self-explanatory. Bulk operations allows you to do some bulk uploads or some JavaScript. You're pretty much never going to be here. Your audiences, you can set up retargeting pixels that we'll go through in a future module. But in general, you're pretty much not going to be in this account area other than just to get a general look at your overall numbers. But it's best practice to have your AdWord manager set up as you go along and grow your business, so that way you're ready to go. Now, over at the campaigns tabs is where you're pretty much going to spend your entire life in Google AdWords. And I'm just going to walk you through a few things to note here. So as you're going to set up a campaign, there's really four types of campaigns actually that you can run. There's a search network campaign, which basically looks like this. Okay, just like Bing, it's a text ad that shows up in your Google results. So if you've ever seen them, they either show up above the fold here, which is above the very first result, or they show up on the right-hand side. So those would be your search network ads. We have the display network, which we're going to be focusing on primarily in this section. We might add some stuff in the YouTube area as we go along, because there's a gold mine to be had there. But for now, we're really going to be focusing on the display network, short form GDN, Google Display Network. So if you hear me say GDN throughout this course, you know what I'm referring to. Shopping, so you can run ads on the Google Shopping Network, which primarily is your Bonanza platform that you would use if you were running an e-commerce business. And of course video, which is YouTube ads, which if you go to, for example, youtube.com and maybe you type in make money online, that would be well, there is no ad here, but let me just see here if I can find one for you. Make money from home. Usually Make Money Online gets one, but there you go. So there's two ads right there. And you'll also notice when you play a video, sometimes you'll see the first 5-10 seconds of your video, there'll be an ad that plays. You can also run that advertising right from in here. So that's what each of these means. And when we're ready to set up an offer, we're pretty much going to go ahead and pick it from this drop down, but I'm not going to do that in this video because we'll save that for the video where I show you actually how to set up an offer. So just like that, you'll be able to see the campaign and the account it's attached to, the budget that you set up, the impressions, the clicks, click-through rate, average CPC, and cost. You can actually edit these. Wherever we go here, you can actually segment out the reporting if you want. You can filter the reporting. And so on and so forth, just to customize it. You can change the dates and all that stuff. If you actually want to go further into the reports to get even more data, you can load them up here. Some of this you can go ahead and create it, and you can add basically whatever you want here. So it's really, really, really good stuff. And if you've gone through all our modules, you've gone through Bing and you've gone through Facebook, you'll notice that Google AdWords is a little bit different. But it's very clean. It's very clean. It's very easy to use. It's very simple to use, and you already have experience now, hopefully by the time you get to Google Display, running ads on Facebook and Bing, so that when you get here, it's not really a giant leap of understanding. It's a very, very similar process. So with that being said, this is the AdWords Manager interface, from accounts to campaigns to reporting. Very basic stuff. But some people who are just getting started, you want to see this, you want to see the interface and what everything means. So I hope that video for some of the new folks in here really had some value. And with that being said, I'm going to cut the video there, and I will see you on another video. Take care.